Today, let's talk about marketing yourself. It is best to already have in mind an industry that you want to provide drone services for. Remember, most clients are not paying you to fly the drone. They're paying you for the data you'll be able to obtain. If you get into the business, you need to develop a marketing plan and a sales strategy. Try to figure out who your potential clients could be. I like to think outside the box and think about how the same service could appeal to a variety of different businesses. You will not survive in this current environment with only one means of income. You need to diversify. For example, in real estate, you have the broker and agent who is interested in listing a property, the appraiser who's interested in valuing the property, the insurance agent who's interested in the condition of the property, the tax assessor who's interested in the improvements to the property, the owner who's interested in admiring their property, the builder who's interested in adding on or constructing to the property, to the attorney who's interested in settling litigation on the property. From just one property, there are a number of different sources of income to be had. Think outside the box.